Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'm showing you how to change Instagram chat theme from gallery. So first thing you have to do is open up your Instagram app. So once you open it up, you click on your messaging box. You click on anybody's chat, the person you want to change his or her theme. You click right here. So click there and you're going to see this. So you click on theme, that's the first one. So going to click on that. Once you click on that, you get to see a lot of themes you can change to. So you just pick anyone. So just pick this and you click on select and you go right there and you see it's been changed. If you find this guide pro, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.